turned out to be a spectacular month for the Indian drone industry, which has witnessed some significant developments and growth in the area. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. The largest single VTOL mini UAV defense contract at a global level has been awarded to Ideaforge for its Switch UAV. Ideaforge won this contract against stiff competition from others in Israel, Russia, Ukraine, France, India to name some. Volar Alta, in partnership with Chem Hospital Research Centre, MIT World Peace University Pune and with support of the UK government, launched Sanjeevan Bharat program. It is an end-to-end technology solutions for drone-based delivery of medical essentials at the Primary Health Centre in Avsari Khurd in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district, Maharashtra. Delhi-based Redcliffe Labs has successfully employed drones that covers 73 kilometers in record time for the expedited delivery of patient sample in cases of emergency. A drone video captured anti-collision test courtesy an indigenously developed automatic train protection system developed by Indian Railways. Delhi-based agri-tech startup Bharatrohan Airborne Innovation has raised seed funding investments in a round led by Upaya Social Ventures and Acumen Fund Inc. to expand its drone-based crop monitoring services. To make India the future of drone hub, an MOU was signed between IG Drones and Adani IER, marking the launch of Drone Center of Excellence and Adani Institute of Education and Research. Another MOU has been signed between the Department of Technical Education of the state government and the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy to set up the first drone school in Industrial Training Institute at Shahpur in Kangra. Drone Federation of India has signed a first of its kind MOU with the Japanese firm Fukushima Robotest Field for developing a robust drone testing infrastructure in India. With the aim to create an ecosystem for drone operations in the country, Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia along with Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan inaugurated the first drone school in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Kolkata Airport ramps up infrastructure for UAV control center like other countries where drones are already being used to transport packages, medical supplies, food and other goods. Ratan India Enterprises Limited plans to develop and launch consumer micro drones across India through its wholly owned subsidiary Neosky India Limited. Indian drone delivery and logistics startup Sky Air Mobility is set to begin its first commercial drone delivery project at a large scale in April in partnership with Indian diagnostic services provider Redcliffe Labs. NIT Andhra Pradesh is set to become one of the first engineering institutes in India to offer a minor degree on drone studies in the coming months. A made-in-China drone has been reportedly found along the India-Bangladesh border in West Bengal's North 24 Pargana district, but no specific information has been gathered as to how the drone ended up in the field. National Mineral Development Corporation Limited, a CPSE under the Ministry of Steel, signed an MOU with IIT Kharagpur for drone-based mineral exploration. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is on track to conduct the flight testing of a loyal wingman program by 2024. The project known as Combat Air Teaming System, CATS, Warrior. Asteria Aerospace has launched an end-to-end drone operations platform called Skydeck. It is a cloud-based software platform delivering a drone-as-a-service solution for multiple industry verticals. Rotor Precision Instruments Private Limited, recognized as the best drone company at Wings India Awards 2022 for its customer-centric approach, smart innovations and adoption of cutting-edge surveying and mapping technologies including drones. Complying with the Make in India initiative, a Hyderabad-based company is researching, designing, developing and manufacturing customized surveillance equipment for the security forces of the country. With its operational network within a touching distance of 400 kilometers and a large section built 15 to 20 years ago, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation is going to replace the manual inspection by a drone survey. So friends, with this come to an end to this month's Drone News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.